A correct base coat is essential for durable decorative cycles that keep the aesthetic and functional characteristics of the chosen finish unchanged over time. Let's examine a specific situation, a more frequent case. The necessity to apply a mineral finish or a natural lime-based coating on an already painted surface with an acrylic product in fair conditions of adhesion to the masonry. In this case, you must solve both problems: the mechanical adhesion to the existing finish and the chemical compatibility between the existing one and the mineral lime finish. To solve the problem quickly with only one easy treatment, Rialto has formulated two specific mineral adhesion promoters for two frequent situations. For already painted exterior surfaces, Rialto Fondo di Aderenza adhesion promoter based on silicates available in two different grain sizes, fine and coarse. For indoor surfaces, Rialto Eco Fondo, a mineral adhesion promoter that can be used both directly on plasterboard or masonry and on an already painted surface. Products are intentionally dense and designed to create a mineral base coat that's very resistant with a high hiding power. Homogenizing the absorption of the wall and being fully compatible with mineral finishes such as lime products makes possible the application of paints and plasters such as Rialto Epoca 800, Antiqua, Epoca Marmo, and Rialto Mediterraneo with only one coat of treatment. Fondo di Aderenza Outdoor or Eco Fondo Indoor can be used directly or diluted with a maximum of 10% water. Apply by brush or roller in one coat, watching out to uniformly cover the existing paint or plaster. The final effect will be homogeneous and sandy, a mineral surface compatible and ready to receive your colored lime finish. We recommend to wait 48 hours before decorating with Fondo di Aderenza and 24 hours for Eco Fondo. For further information regarding the application, read the related datasheet.